What is going on, guys? It's Louis, aka Mutara from my gaming peoples, and welcome to 2019. We're gonna start off the year right with some Vaydor information. Stick around. Welcome, guys. Welcome. This is 2019. May this year be the blessed year of your life, or the start of something beautiful. And I hope this year is that for me. Amen. Now, I got some inside information about the mid-engine Vaydor. If you guys remember in my last interview with Supercraft Cars, they held back in telling me what kind of engine they will use for the mid-engine Vaydor. They told me, inside information by the way, the mid-engine Vaydor will be, drum roll please, a all-electric car. I really got to get things going. Let me do my moves, man. What's up with this? Now we're gonna talk about the benefits of being all electric and the cons of being all electric Vaydor, mid-engine Vaydor. So the pros: being in all electric cars, the Vaydor will have instant torque. Now, if you're still not sure what am I talking about, I suggest you go to the Tesla Racing channel. I'll link it down in the description and see how this guy destroys muscle cars and drag race cars, and they get butthurt real bad. It's so freaking funny. I just go there and just to see the salt, like Jesus Christ. Now, the second pro of being electric is it's cheaper to run. It's cheaper to charge your car compared to gasoline cars. And if you guys didn't know, you can use, if your car is an all electric car, you can use the HOV lane anywhere in the United States, and that they won't give you a ticket because you are economically or environmentally friendly. So that's a plus of owning an electric car. So that's pretty awesome. Another pro is no sound. So they are great for daily. I don't know about you guys, but for a daily, I don't want to hear really loud noises or like a really loud exhaust. A daily with no sound is a really good pro. Now let's talk about the cons of being a mid-engine all-electric car. Like I said, it's a pro for a daily, but no sound for supercar is bad, man. Like when I think about, like a supercar, I think of a V12, Ferrari, that sound, like, it's fun. But being electric cars, it's gonna take away all that stuff. I don't know. So for the second con is the electric cars, usually, the majority of them today have really short ranges. Now, the new cars, they have improved ranges, but in the majority of them, they are really low. And the bigger problem is that there's not a lot of charging stations all over the country. Now, of course, that will improve. Their ranges, will improve. But for now, it's a con, And another thought, is the Vaydor going to be DIY friendly? Because if you guys remember, like one of the main reasons that I actually chose the Vaydor over the Viper ACR was that the Vaydor was DIY friendly. I could actually make the Vaydor, and that's gonna bring a lot of content to the channel, so that would be great. Now, if you get an electric Vaydor, how DIY friendly is it going to be? And then on top of all of that, is it gonna be practical for today's market? Is it gonna be a good idea for today's market? That's the main thing that I want to know. I am really interested on what you guys think about this news. Are you excited? Are you pissed off? I would like to know. Let's talk about this in the comment section down below. If you like this content, please give me a like. And if you're new, please hit that subscribe button, because we are going to talk about and do more things with the Vaydor coming up 2019. Stick around, guys.